Hello YouTube. In this video I'll show you how you can set up Google Cloud Platform server instance very quickly, very fast. So first go to the Google Cloud Platform and then go to Compute Engine and then VM instances. If you are just from the home page, then you can just go from Compute Engine and then VM instances. Just click on Create. Here, depending on most of the things you want to keep it default, but if you want to change something like names and everything, you can change it. You can change the regions. Pretty much leave everything as it is. Depending on your requirement, server requirement, you can change this one as well. This is also which operating system you want to have. So I would prefer Ubuntu, but depending on your web application, you can choose any applications or operating system. This is I want this LTS, long-term support, latest version, or the file size I want is 50 disk, and then just click on Create. Leave everything as it is. Allow HTTP and HTTPS traffic, because obviously this is web application, so we need all these both ports open. Then just click on Create. Okay, while this is creating, one thing we have to change is the allocate the IP address, because what will happen is if you don't allocate any static IP address, then anytime you reboot the server, restart the server, it will change this external IP address. So first we want to make it static, so it never changes. If it is changing, then in domain DNS it will break when this IP address will change. So for that, just click on here, go to VPC network and then external IP addresses. In here, click on reserve static address. You can leave the name, whatever you want, keep everything as it is, and here attach to our instance. So this is instance I created, so attach to this instance and reserve. This is very important. All right. Okay, while this is being done, let's move on to some of the firewall rules you need to add. For instance, at the moment we have added HTTP and HTTPS. Now if you want to open any other ports, you have to open it from here. Because we'll be going to run a control panel which runs on 10,000 ports, so I have to open the 10,000 port. Now depending on which, if you need this, you can. If you don't need this, you don't have to do this. So in case if you want to do any port open, then you have to put the name, keep it everything as it is, as it is, as it is, as it is. Here put the target. IP range, I'll put 0, I'll put, it will access everything. And then specified protocols, TCP 10,000. Just click on Create. Once this port has been added into the firewall rules, we have to add this tag into our VM instance. Go to the VM instance. Click on the edit. And then just put the tag, that tag over here. That's it. Click on save. Alright, our VM instance is ready to go. Now you can install any operating system or anything that any kind of web application or any kind of application you want to run. So in my next video, I'll show you how you can install a free control panel, web hosting control panel called VirtualMin WebMin. So thank you so much for watching and see you on next video.